CRM in GTPL, and I would like to thank Neopers and Meghna and my company GTPL for telling me to attend these kind of, selecting me to attend this kind of a program which I seriously think doesn't exist, or did not exist rather. Now I believe that it does. And the way, what I like to think about this particular program, three things. One, there were no PPTs, no presentations. The experiences or the kind of examples which were shared, those were real-time experiences which are regular activities in your life. So you kind of relate to them very easily. So that was very effective, and I sincerely appreciate the kind of study you guys do for the content. So that's great. And what it taught me, the most important factor, which I believe rest of all techniques I guess will come easily, but then the base for that, to have a mind which allows you to do all these activities, keep yourself happy and relaxed, and how to go about it. That is the biggest learning which I learned, and because it's easy for us to learn with a clean slate of mind, rather than having those preconceived notions with us. So thank you so much for realizing that this is also there. This part of the life is very important. Thank you.